Hello everyone, welcome. I have a St. Patrick's Day wreath for you today. In today's crafting adventure, we're going to be using one of these small 8-inch wreath forms that you can pick up at Dollar Tree, and we're going to be making an adorable St. Patrick's Day wreath. Let's go ahead and jump in and get started. We're going to get started with the small 8-inch wreath form. Now these come in a package of 2 that you can pick up at Dollar Tree. You'll also need 2 packages of their dark green mesh. This comes 6 inches at 5 yards. And this is what I call Dollar Tree's Good Mesh. This comes out of their everyday box in the floral garden. You can tell also that it is vacuum sealed here. That tells you that this is the better mesh that Dollar Tree carries. You need 2 packages. You're going to be cutting your mesh into strips at 12 inches, and 2 packages should give you a total of 30. I have my mesh here cut in strips of 12 inches. I also have some pipe cleaners cut in half. We're going to be doing my folded ruffle method. I designed this back in May of 2020. I did it specifically to be used with Dollar Tree mesh because I hate it when mesh frays. So to do this method, you want to take it and fold the ends over themselves by about 1 inch so you have a tube. You push that down, and then like a standard ruffle, you grab it and you scrunch it up to the center, and then you grab the top and bring that down. Pinch right in the center. Take your pipe cleaner and wrap it around. Now all those cut ends are here at the top, so you want to make sure that you pull your pipe cleaners to that. That's going to be your back. You don't want that side to show. And then I pull everything forward so I can get a nice tight grip. Pinch and give a good twist. Then you can open it up, and I love these. I think they look like a cute little butterfly. So that's what your bundle's going to look like. I'll show you again. You have your strip cut at 12 inches. You lay the ends over themselves by about 1 inch. So you have a tube. Push down. Grab one end, scrunch up to the center. Grab the other end and scrunch down to the center. Pinch. Wrap your pipe cleaner around. Make sure you pull those pipe cleaners to the top where the cut ends are. Pinch and twist. And then just kind of open up your bundle. Now if you get one side that's a little bigger than the other, that's okay. Just kind of hold the center, and then you can kind of pull it a little bit with the mesh to adjust if you need to. It doesn't have to be perfect, just relatively similar. I'm going to go ahead and make some bundles, and then we'll get them attached to the wreath form. I have some bundles made, so we're going to start to attach it to our wreath form. And we're going to be attaching it to the center bar and the bar on the outside. I want this to be slightly larger. If I wanted it a little bit smaller, then I would do the center bar and the inner bar. Simply wrap your pipe cleaners around those 2 bars, give a good twist or 2. Pull it together, and then I always like to tuck my pipe cleaners back forward. Once you get your wreath full, you're not going to be able to see those, and it helps to keep the back nice and clean. So again, just put those pipe cleaners on either side of the 2 bars on the outside. Give a good twist or 2. Then pull them together and tuck them down. Now as you move over your bundles, you want them to close like a butterfly, like this. Move over. And then when you go through and you kind of fluff them out, I usually will pull one a little towards the outside and one towards the inside. until they start stacking together. That's kind of hard to do, so I just kind of fold them up and push them over. Now there are 3 sections on this wreath, and a section is between each of the crossbars. You will be placing 10 bundles in each section, and that will take exactly 2 rolls of Dollar Tree deco mesh. If you're not using Dollar Tree deco mesh, you want to look for something 6 inches at 10 yards to complete the base. I have the base all done and I'm really happy with it. I love this method because, as you can see, you get little to no fraying with this method on Dollar Tree mesh. And it also gives a very textured yet smooth finish to your wreath base. Now this took exactly 2 rolls. And as you can see, I attached it to the 2 bars on the outside, and I did tuck my pipe cleaners. That does make your back look nice and finished. Each section did take 10 bundles. Now to decorate our wreath, I found this adorable little leprechaun gnome at Dollar Tree. I had no idea that they were carrying these, and I did have to go to the largest store in my area to find them, but I think he's absolutely adorable. I found this one and I love his big hat. They also had another one that I picked up that has a tall pointy hat that is rainbow colored. But this is the one we're going to be using today. Now to clean him up a little bit, I tacked down this embellishment here in the front. I tacked down his hands because it was really loose. And then I also kind of folded and tacked down the back of the hat because I'm going to have him sitting in the center of the wreath. Now to accommodate him, we're also going to have a cute little pot here, and we're going to fill that with some gold coins. Now since I don't want to fill all the way down, I'm just going to stuff in. I have these cotton balls. You can pick up, you get like 18 in a package. You can also just crumple in paper or newspaper. And then I'm just going to hot glue a bunch of coins in here on the top. We're going to attach our embellishments now. I want my little leprechaun gnome here off on the side. He's going to be kicking back next to his little pot of gold here. I think that's going to look really cute. Now I'm going to be hot gluing these in along with Alenees Original Tacky glue. Now I really like this glue. Let me tell you, if you're going to put a wreath outside, you really want to include this. Once this fully sets up, which it takes a full 24 hours to, this is weather resistant. I tried it on a wreath that I put outside over the winter for Christmas, and it got full wind, rain, sleet. I mean, we had some major storms and nothing fell off those wreaths. It was amazing. Now the only thing I haven't tried it in is snow. So if you live in a snowy area, let me know if it works in the snow as well. But I am really happy with this product when it comes to anything you're going to put outside. Now I have the sheet of paper under here because I'm hot gluing, and in case that hot glue drips down, it'll hit the paper and not my table. And I want him to kind of have his legs crossed here. Oh, I think he looks really cute. And now we're going to put the little pot of gold next to him. Absolutely adorable. Now the last thing that I want to add are some more gold coins, and I'm just going to kind of place these all the way around. And here you go, we are all finished. I think he came out absolutely adorable. He is my lucky gnome leprechaun. I did add one of these little shamrocks. You can pick up the shamrocks in the bag here. They come 6 to a pack, and they come on a little pick. Just take the end, kind of go in circles, twist back and forth, and it'll come right off without causing any damage. And then I just glued it into place. I thought he needed a little clover there next to him. But he is so adorable. I am very happy with the end result. Now I have plans to hang this on the mirror in my entryway. I love to put a small wreath in that location. They also look really adorable hanging on kitchen cabinets, or maybe if you live in an apartment and you don't have a lot of storage space, these are perfect. The finished wreath measures approximately 12 inches in diameter. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. It sure was a lot of fun putting together my small Leprechaun Gnome Wreath. If you enjoy craft tutorials and hauls, make sure to check out these other videos. Thanks so much for stopping by. You know it's always a pleasure to see you. I hope everyone in your family is staying happy, healthy, and strong. You have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.